How to get music for YouTube videos royalty free. To get royalty free music for your YouTube videos, you simply have to go ahead and then launch the YouTube Studio on your computer browser, or you can also use the mobile browser, but make sure to set your browser settings to desktop mode or desktop side. Once you set it, you simply have to now go ahead and then tap on the audio library section from this side navigation bar. Once you tap on this audio library option, all you have to do is now browse through the hundreds of tracks using the filters like genre, mood, artist, or even duration. You can also check the attribution rules. If it shows standard YouTube logo, you can use it freely with no action required. And if it shows a Creative Commons like CC logo, you must copy the provided text snippet and paste it directly into your video's description box to give the artist credit. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.